This is my VZ Commodore. This is my old left side bearing hub. I've already done the right side, which was stuffed. Better off doing both because usually when one goes, the other's on its way. Now I've already got this sucker on. It's quite easy. Make sure you plug it in. It's got 3 Allen keys, 10mm. One in there, one around there, and one on the bottom. Put it on, tighten it up. The hardest thing was getting this rotor off, which is just undo your calipers, take your brakes off and bash it with a bit of wood, little lump hammer behind. And that's it.